Welcome back, and we're continuing the news. In St. Catharines South, the holiday spirit is alive and well, thanks to the heartwarming effort of the Police Division's initiative dubbed Shop with a Cop. But as Dwayne Anderson reports, the police want corporate Jamaica to jump on board to create magical memories.
Now in its third year, Shop with a Cop has been making Christmas dreams come true for children aged 5 to 16, giving them a chance to shop alongside police officers. What began in 2022 with just 8 children has blossomed into a growing tradition of care and compassion. More than 50 children participated this year. But as the program grows in popularity, so too does the challenge of sustaining it. With limited resources and a rising number of participants, the initiative is at risk of running out of steam. Territorial Officer Paulette Baker is urging corporate Jamaica to step in and help keep the program alive.
It takes cash to care, definitely. It's not easy for us to find or finance 50 and more children out for shopping. Whilst we get support from some of our stakeholders, the program is for police officers also to put their own money up front to assist, and they have been doing so. The stations come on board, individuals, the police officers and our sponsors, but we need corporate sponsorship to enable this.
For 8-year-old Araya, this year marks her second time shopping with the police officers.
I find it's very nice and it's actually fun.
Meanwhile, young Giovanni, a first-time participant, is excited to mark an item off his Christmas wish list.
I only have 2 pair of sneakers, which is my school shoes and this white Air Force, and I really needed a pair of sneakers.
The success of Shop with a Cop has sparked interest in other police divisions. The movement is spreading like wildfire, proving that acts of kindness and community spirit are contagious.
It is my recommendation to the Police High Command to take this on as a force-wide initiative because of the feedback we're getting. The public likes it, and so you would have seen, as you said, there are several other divisions that have interest. St. Elizabeth took it on last year. I think they are doing it this year. Clarendon, the Custos of Clarendon, reached out to me. I gave the go-ahead, and they have since launched their program there.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.
And that's the local news. The business review and international stories are next.